In this video, I'll guide you through how to become a Klaviyo partner. Whether you're looking to expand your service offerings as an agency or leverage technology to enhance your business solutions, becoming a Klaviyo partner can open up new opportunities for growth and collaboration. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Klaviyo partner portal. This is your gateway to joining a community of businesses and professionals who use Klaviyo to optimize their marketing efforts. To find the portal, simply do a quick search online or visit Klaviyo's main website and look for the partner section. Once there, you'll be ready to start your application process. Now, onto the application itself. You'll see an option to submit your application. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to fill out your business details. This includes information like your company name, contact details, and a brief description of what your business does. Make sure you have all this information on hand to streamline the process. You will also need to decide whether you are applying for the agency track or the tech track. The agency track is ideal for businesses that focus on marketing services and consulting, while the tech track is suited for those who specialize in developing software solutions or integrating technologies. Choose the option that best aligns with your business goals and capabilities. After you've filled out your application, it's time to submit it for review. At this stage, it's important to double-check all your information for accuracy. A well-prepared application can make a significant difference in the review process. Once you're confident that everything is in order, go ahead and hit the Submit button. Now comes the waiting period. You'll need to allow 2 to 5 business days for Klaviyo to review your application. During this time, Klaviyo's team will assess your submission to ensure that your business aligns with their partnership criteria. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your email inbox during this time, as you'll receive communication from Klaviyo regarding the status of your application. While you're waiting, it might be helpful to familiarize yourself with Klaviyo's resources and community. Exploring their online documentation, webinars, and forums can provide valuable insights into how you can maximize your partnership once approved. This proactive approach can give you a head start in integrating Klaviyo's offerings into your services or technology solutions. Once your application is approved, congratulations, you're officially a Klaviyo partner. You'll gain access to a range of partner-exclusive benefits, including marketing resources, training, and support from the Klaviyo team. This partnership is designed to help you succeed and grow alongside Klaviyo, so take full advantage of the tools and support available to you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Klaviyo partner. Remember, the key is to ensure that your application is comprehensive and reflects your business accurately. With a little patience and preparation, you'll soon be part of a dynamic network of partners committed to driving success through innovative marketing solutions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Klaviyo partner journey.